little bit of garlic heaven. Now, Kasoori. You might know, you might not know, but I'm a fan of their machines. And they said, Steve, you want to review one? I said, what's this? Toaster oven. Yeah, toaster oven. Yeah, but the amount of features that's got on it is unbelievable. So I went, why not? And I love Kasoori. I've used their pressure cookers, air fryers, dehydrators. Amazing. This toaster oven is like an air fryer. It's got rotisserie, ferment, dehydrator, cookies, pizza, you name it, it's got it. And I tried it out. I did a rotisserie chicken the other day. Amazing. Did the pizzas. Amazing. It cooked fantastic. And I'm not just saying that. It really does do the job. I did this garlic pizza about 2 years ago on my Instagram. It went well. I did it on flatbread. But this one, I did use the store-bought pizza. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. But you know, when I think about it, as I get older, I don't think I'm a food snob as much as I used to be. Anyway, I did this garlic pizza using the Kasoori, and it turned out amazing. It really did. Garlic heaven. A little bit of garlic heaven. Anyway, all the information is below. If you do want one, you don't have to get one. Good for a Crimbo present. Coupon codes down below. So sit back and relax and enjoy. Thanks, guys. Introducing the Kasoori Original Air Fryer Toaster Oven. It's got some amazing cooking functions like toast, bagel, pizza, bake, roast, air fry, broil, cookies, rotisserie, dehydrator, ferment, and warm. Amazing. It's got a light button, fan button, and a start and cancel button. Comes with the usual instructions and a pretty good recipe book, so you can get used to the machine. Also comes with a crumb tray, wire rack, food basket, food tray, and a rotisserie shaft, forks and handle. All the links and information below if you're interested. To make this delicious pizza, first you have to roast the garlic. On tin foil, add a drizzle of olive oil, followed by salt. Lightly wrap the garlic. I cook the garlic on the roast function, 400 degrees, for about 45 minutes. To make the sauce, add unsalted butter to a pan. When melted, add flour, and cook out for about 5 minutes. You really want to cook the flour out. Add half of the milk and stir until thick. Again, add the rest of the milk and stir until thick. When the garlic is cooked, leave to cool. Next, slice the garlic and squeeze all that garlic goodness into the sauce. Stir well. Season to taste. And put aside. The toppings for this pizza are very simple. Sliced red onion, mushrooms, and green onion. What really takes this pizza up to the next level is this delicious parsley and garlic oil. Grate garlic into a bowl, add extra virgin olive oil, chopped parsley, Stir well and put aside. Press the pizza function 450 for 15 minutes. For this recipe, I'm using a store-bought pizza dough. Add the garlic sauce, followed by mushrooms, onion, and cheese. I use an Italian blend. Add a drizzle of olive oil around the edge to make the pizza extra crispy. Now place in the oven and cook. So there you have it, a little bit of garlic heaven. Delicious. That looks amazing to me, so I've just got to tuck in. Oh, that's a garlic wonderland. I love that sauce. That roasted garlic really helps. Not too harsh, nice and sweet. But what really makes it for me is that garlic parsley sauce. Just over the top. It's a very simple pizza, but the flavors just explode. The Kasoori does the job. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Thanks guys.